If your Android phone constantly opens up a Google Chrome without your permission, this may happen because of some malware or some harmful application. So here's how to fix this problem, and watch it till the end because I'll give you a very valuable tip. So first of all, you're to open up your settings. After that, scroll down to your apps. So here, let's press permissions. Let's start with background auto start because this may be the case, and check for any applications, any shady apps which have this permissions. Maybe it's a new app which you have just installed from some website and it already has this permission, so make sure to turn it off. And then tap on other permissions and press on permissions here. So open new windows while running in the background. This may be the case as well, so choose any application which has it and press deny, because this once again may be the case. So go through them and see which applications you're not trusting and which maybe do that. As well with the lock screen, as well with the display pop-up windows, make sure to turn it off as well, because this may be the case and this may cause this. Great. Then let's go back to settings, press your privacy protection, choose your special permissions. Here once again, check your modify system settings. Then then check your turn on screen and full screen notifications, because in any of the cases it may be the thing. So if it's turned on the application which you're not trusting, make sure to turn it off. Then do not forget to open up your apps, and if there any shady application which you don't know or don't remember installing, so press manage apps, and if you find such, open it up and simply delete it, because so press it, press uninstall, press OK, and see if that helps and the problem still persists. At the next tab, do not forget to press your About Phone tab in your settings and update. Don't forget to update to the latest versions, because updates bring innovations and updates bring a lot of bug fixes. But this may be just a system bug. This happens and it's alright. So at the last step, you may need to put your phone into a safe mode. This disables all the third-party app, and by doing this, you may understand whether it's just a system bug or some app is causing it. So first of all, make sure to turn off your phone. Press power off. After that, you're gonna locate your power button and your volume up button. So now hold your power button and volume up button simultaneously. And when your phone will have the screen on, when the screen starts to glow up, release your power button and hold your finger on volume up. All right, we're in this menu. You can navigate through it using your volume down and volume up buttons. So locate your safe mode, press power button, and now give your phone some time to log in. And basically, that is it. So here is a tip. So to adjust your security and to make your phone really safe and secure, make sure to use some good antivirus applications such as Norton, which you can get in the Google Play Store. As you see, we're logged in into safe mode, by the way, or Bitdefender or Avast. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.